Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of OneUp Trader in 2025, a prop firm that's been gaining attention for offering traders the chance to manage a real capital once they pass an evaluation. If you're considering getting funded this year, stick around because we're covering everything need to know. So, what's exactly OneUp Trade? It's a proprietary trading firm that lets you prove your skills as a stimulated account. If you pass their evaluation phase, usually 15 days or 30 days, you get access to funded apertures, trading account managed by their funding partner. That means you trade with real capital and you keep a large portion of the profits. Let's talk pricing and plans. In 2025, OneUp offers accounts ranging from 25,000 to 250,000. You pay a monthly fee during the evaluation, something like $125 per month for the lowest stars over 600 per month for the highest. But here's the catch. There are no time limits on passing the test, and you can reset anytime for a small fee. Now the rules. You'll need to hit a specific profit target while staying within daily loss limits and trailing their down. There's also consistency rule, so no luck-based trading. If you're consistent and disciplined, it's totally double. What makes OneUp stand out? No time limits during evaluation, fast payout with 80 up to 90% profit splits, direct integration with NinjaTrader and other top platforms, and instant support and real-time dashboard tracking. But is it for everyone? If you're just starting out, the pressure of live funded trading might be tough. But if you've got a solid experience with features and want access to capital without risking your own, OneUp is a solid choice in 2025. That's the full breakdown. Let me know in the comments if you've tried OneUp or there's another platform firm you want me to cover. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more real-world trading reviews and tips. Catch you in the next one.